Today, we would like to introduce our latest machine to you. This advanced machine with a pusher system offers various functions, including punching, drilling, and cutting. Let's take a look at how this machine operates. Imagine a standard trade length of a 6-meter aluminum profile placed on the table. Using the user-friendly control panel of the automation, you initiate the operations. Thanks to the automatic feeding of standard trade sizes, your production process is seamlessly optimized. The machine performs each step precisely, punching, drilling, and cutting. The result is a finished product that meets your requirements, such as an aluminum profile with drilled holes, punched recesses, and clean cuts. Furthermore, the profile can be printed with factory codes for easy identification. Whether you work with aluminum, plastic, or steel, we offer tailored solutions that align with your specific needs. Contact us today and take the first step toward improved productivity and success. Position Automation, your partner for automated production lines.